In Japan, Demon Slayer: Infinity Castle has already been released and has become a huge success. The legendary Demon Slayer franchise comes to an end in this film, which is the first installment of a trilogy. Since the first film is set to premiere in 2025, there has been a lot of speculation about when the second and third films will be released. The Infinity Fortress of Demon Slayer, one of the most eagerly awaited anime films of all time, was Part 1. This new film, which has already smashed records, was just released in Japan on July 18, 2025. The Infinity Castle: The Mugen Train debut at the Japanese box office has already been surpassed by Part 1, which is no small feat considering that the latter now holds the record. The highest grossing film in Japan ever. Infinity Castle: Demon Slayer. Regretfully, the majority of supporters are unable to view Part 1 right now, which is excellent. Each nation has a unique release date for this film, which is not yet available worldwide. The release date for North America is September 12th, which is around 2 months away. The first film in the Demon Slayer: Infinity Castle series has already been released, and naturally, fans are curious about when parts 2 and 3 will be available. Thankfully, this has already been disclosed to the audience. The release window for Demon Slayer: Infinity Castle Part 2 is 2027. As a result, this film is expected to be released in 2 years. However, the wait for the conclusion, which is likely the largest of the 3 films, Demon Slayer: Infinity Castle Part 3, is understandably far longer. The Infinity Castle section of Demon Slayer will be released in 2029, which is 4 years from now. The Demon Slayer manga came to an end a long time ago, in 2020 to be exact. The story is relatively brief in comparison to other series, with just over 205 chapters. On Manga Plus, fans of the series may read the manga if they don't want to wait for the movies to be released. The series, on the other hand, has 4 anime seasons as of right now. All of these anime seasons are available on Crunchyroll. The remainder of the series will be converted into animated films, the theatrical debut of which fans will have to wait for. In this case, the release date varies depending on their nation. Hope you like this video. Stay tuned in this channel for latest upcoming updates on this series. And add a bookmark in this channel for further upcoming updates on movies, anime, and web series. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share our channel. And for latest updates, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.